this is our Christmas photo from our Christmas lunch last week. And Anthony and I wanted to take the time to thank our students and all our preceptors for being able to offer these programs that we do. So to my left is William, and William is a kinesiology student from UOIT. And William, we really enjoyed having you. You were a great asset to the clinic. And I want to thank Ian Barker, who arranges students to come from his program. Ian, thank you for running this wonderful kin internships. We really appreciate it. And to the other side of William is Macy. Macy comes from the PTA OTA program of Durham College. And we want to thank Laura, who arranges for the students to come through that program. And in our front row, we have Kaylee. Kaylee, we hired right from the PTA OTA program, and she became the preceptor for Macy. And right next to Kaylee, we have Tiffany. Tiffany, we hired from the UOIT KIN program, and she became one of the preceptors for William. You see how the chain keeps going. And then to the other side of Kaylee, we have our wonderful front desk coordinators, and all three of them came from the administrative program. And so we really appreciate UOIT. We really appreciate Durham College. And we really appreciate all the hard work of the instructors who arrange for these externships, a ton of extra time for them. And also the students for all their hard work. It's really a big part of our practice. And Anthony and I, our patients, as well as our whole team, appreciate you guys. So thank you very much, everybody.